Rajdhani Express is a superfast category train service operated by Indian Railways, connecting the national capital of India, New Delhi, and capital of Indian states or largest cities. Rajdhani derived from the Sanskrit means capital. Rajdhani Express is one of the premium train in Indian Railways, also highest priority train in railway network. And today we are talking about top 10 fastest Rajdhani Express trains in Indian Railways. So let's begin. Number 10. Train number 22413-22414 Madgaon Rajdhani Express runs between Madgaon and Hazrat Nizamuddin, Delhi, covering distance of 1911 km with 9 stops and average journey time of 26 hours 35 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 75 km per hour. Number 9. Train number 12437-12438 Secunderabad Rajdhani Express runs between Secunderabad and Hazrat Nizamuddin, Delhi, covering distance of 1661 km with 5 stops and average journey time of 21 hours 40 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 76 km per hour. Number 8. Train number 20839-20840 Ranchi Rajdhani Express runs between Ranchi and New Delhi via Bokaro Steel City, covering distance of 1307 km with 6 stops and average journey time of 16 hours 45 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 76.5 km per hour. Number 7. Train number 12433-12434 Chennai Rajdhani Express runs between MGR Chennai Central and Hazrat Nizamuddin, Delhi, covering distance of 2175 km with 8 stops and average journey time of 28 hours 25 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 76.8 km per hour. Number 6. Train number 12309-12310 Patna Tejas Rajdhani Express runs between Rajendra Nagar Terminal, Patna and New Delhi, covering distance of 1001 km with 4 stops and average journey time of 12 hours 5 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 82 km per hour. Number 5. Train number 12313-12314 Sialdah Rajdhani Express runs between Sialdah, Kolkata and New Delhi, covering distance of 1459 km with 6 stops and average journey time of 17 hours 40 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 83 km per hour. Number 4. Train number 12953-12954 August Kranti Tejas Rajdhani Express runs between Mumbai Central and Hazrat Nizamuddin, Delhi, covering distance of 1378 km with 10 stops and average journey time of 16 hours 33 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 83.2 km per hour. Number 3. Train number 12301-12302 Howrah Rajdhani Express runs between Howrah and New Delhi, covering distance of 1452 km with 7 stops and average journey time of 17 hours 5 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 85 km per hour. It's also India's first Rajdhani Express. Number 2. Train number 22221-22222 CSMT Rajdhani Express runs between Mumbai CSMT and Hazrat Nizamuddin, Delhi, covering distance of 1537 km with 7 stops and average journey time of 17 hours 55 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 86 km per hour, and it's only Rajdhani train in India which is runs by push-pull technology. And finally, number 1, train number 12951 12952 Mumbai Tejas Rajdhani Express runs between Mumbai Central and New Delhi, covering distance of 1386 km with 6 stops and average journey time of 15 hours 32 minutes with a top operating speed of 130 km per hour and average speed of 89 km per hour. It's also second oldest Rajdhani Express in India. So friends, here are the top 10 fastest Rajdhani trains in India. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you are a new viewer, so make sure subscribe this channel. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.